Hey everybody, Robert here with more Revit training, and in this exercise we're going to go and look at our floor framing. So we've got our floors in, but we want to frame them since we do have a floor framing drawing set up here for us. So we got the first floor, and then if you go down into these structural drawings, you got a framing plan for the first and second floor. So we can do that right now since we're working on floors. So here we're in our 3D model, and then we're gonna go let's go look at our first floor. And here's our first floor that we worked on here. We're gonna just concentrate on the first for now. We'll do the second later. So here's our first floor, and I'm gonna go look at that framing drawing that's set up for us here, right there. Okay, so there's our floors. Let's see what we got here. Hidden line. This is fine. So, this is the second floor. Oh, we want the first floor. So, I'm sorry. We're going to go to our first floor framing, which is this one. And for this drawing, I'm going to hide this AutoCAD linked file. So, I'm just going to go and do a temporary hide. So, I'll select it here. If I can find it. Come on, guy. Where are you? Where are you? Ooh, man. There you go. I'll select it, and I'm going to do a temporary hide because we don't need to see this. Okay, by the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. It helps me do these videos. So there's our floor. Actually, we might want to bring that back for reference. So here's our first floor. And now what we want to do is we want to do the framing here. So I'm going to go into my Insert tab, and we're going to grab some lumber, some dimension lumber here. So I'm going to go to Load in the Cloud, and we'll take this dimension lumber. We might have had something in there, but I'm going to take that for now. I'm going to load it in. And then I'm going to go with a 2 by 12 and a 2 by 10. So just hit Control, select those two, and I'll go OK. So now we need a bearing, and we've got that foundation under here. So this is what we'll do. So we'll go, and we're on the first level, and we'll go to our Structure tab, and we'll select Beam. Now here in the properties, we got this 11 by laminated veneer. Okay, that's a good one to use. So let's take this one, and we'll place, let me see, what's that there? I want to just see, is that one? No, we'll go and we'll just place our beams right along here. Our bearers. These are going to be bearers. Get the laminated, so I'm going to take one through here, take it all the way out to there, come down this way now, going to bear right up along there, probably will end up right here somewhere. Then we'll come back this way. And then we'll come up here. Okay, so now we got our bearers. So now what we'll do is we'll just do a simple beam system here. So I'm going to go in, and I'm going to go beam system here. And then I'm going to do the beam type. We're going to go with, we got LVL. That might be good too, but I'm going to select something different here. Maybe the 2 by 12 dimension lumber here. And I'm going to space them 1 foot. And then just select that guy. And there's our floor. Now, we want to keep this as a beam system for now because we might make some adjustments. So let's go have a look in that section view. And as you can see, there's our joist. And I'm going to do a wireframe just so we can see a little better here. Okay. So might make some adjustments here. This should have been over that. Yeah, it's sitting over it. So we're good there. And we're good there. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the floor framing. That's the second floor, sorry. We go to the first floor framing, which is this one. And now we can turn, actually we'll leave this on. So now we have our framing in. And then if you're happy with this, you can go ahead and let's just remove this background now. I want to select this. I think I got enough information where I can let this go now. Now let's leave it on for now. So I'm going to select this guy, the beam system as a whole. Probably works better from the first floor plan. Yeah, it does. Select it. And then I'm going to just drop it. I'm going to remove the beam system. And then we're going to deal with, in the other drawing, the openings here. Actually, I got a better way that you can do this. I'm going to bring that back. I think you can do this. I don't remember. We can probably. Oh, sorry. It's the floor. Let's go back into that other one. Or did I already drop it? No, I didn't drop it. So I'll unpin this guy. And then I'll just make these adjustments. No, I'm going to see if I can do this by, just try it another way right quick. Bear with me, folks. I'm going to go to my first floor framing. I'm in it already. And then I'm going to go and shut this off. See if I can undo that back. Let's go back to the first floor. Okay, so everything's intact there. So I'm going to drop this, remove it. No, I'm going to bring it back. See if I can edit this boundary here. Select it. We can't edit boundary here. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to split this guy here. If I can. I'm just going to do an opening right here. So I'm going to push this all the way back to there. And then come down this way. I'm not sure if I can do this, but we're going to try it anyway. Then go around the stair. Come here. We need that opening there and come through here and bring this back and close it off. And let's see if that'll work for us. If it does, that'll be great. Then I'll close it. Yes. So there's our beam system for the first level. Now let's go to the second level here. We don't have to drop it. We can keep that guy intact. So let's go to our second level here. All right. Second floor framing. So this should be easy here. Didn't have that AutoCAD drawing in this drawing. No, I don't think we did. So let's go look at our second level floor plan, which is this. Okay. So I'm going to just do it right here. It's pretty simple. Just going to do another beam system. Go to beam system, structure, beam system. And I could just do a shape here, bearing right on this, right along here. I can do a square shape, which is probably what I could have did on the first level. Just take this all the way out to here. Should bear right along there. And I'll finish that. Nope, wrong direction. So we can select this guy and change the span, I think. No, we can't, so I want to undo that back and get out of here, baby. We got this one. So we need to do our span from here. We're going to span this direction, and we'll finish it. So there's our joist for the second level. So now we're going to look at this in our section view. There it is there, and there. And then I want to go and look at another section view going in the other direction. So hey guys, thanks for watching my video. We've got our floors in, and now let me just rotate this guy. We're going to do our sections later. Just do a nice 90 here. Bring this over here and see what we got here. Actually, let's look at both levels. So there goes our joists. Now they wouldn't go that high, so we can offset these down. We can make this a -2. Uh-oh, sorry. We can make this -2 inches or whatever that distance is, as long as we got everything intact. So the thing about beam system is keep it. No, that's not. That's too much. Oh, sorry, I moved the wrong thing. I didn't want to move the floor. I want to move the beams. Oh, okay. I know what happened there. So let's tab. You probably got to grab that from the floor. Let's see, structure, beam system. So there we got it. Now we can make this -1 or -2. Let's go with 1 for now. No, -1 inch. Oh, that's +1. Huh. Sorry. So anyway, guys, you get the idea. Let's make that -1. This is how you do your floor framing. So we got our floor frame in there. I'm not wondering why I'm not seeing the other level. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Okay. Did we get the right span that way? Let me just pull this over and have a look here. Oops. So here we go here. Yep, we got them. And we take these guys and drop them down 1 inch. Gosh, sorry. So that's how you do the floor framing. And we'll have that drawn. Boy. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. You get the ideas. Please subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Why is that doing that? Oh, elevation. My bad. This is 1. Here, negative. There we go. Probably should get down a little more, but that's how you do our joists and our floor framing. So, and there we go in 3D view. We don't see it here, but we'll have the, oh, I don't know why we don't see it, because there they are. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. So we got our floor framing done. Now we can pretty much get rid of the AutoCAD drawing here, I think. That's the first floor. This is the second floor. There we go. So thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. Everybody be safe and bye. Take care, y'all.